What if I told you that everyday products like banana chips, detergent pods, and even dumplings could be made right from a garage-sized space? In this video, you'll discover real machines that are small in size but big in profit potential. Let's dive into micro-manufacturing for 2025. Number 1. Laundry detergent pod machine. Laundry pods have become a household essential. They're clean, compact, and convenient. This machine allows you to manufacture those pods at scale using a fully automated system. It starts with a roll of PVA film that feeds into a molding station, forming small pockets. Liquid detergent is injected, and each pod is sealed with heat to create perfectly uniform dissolvable units. The pods are then cut, ejected, and sent onto trays for final packaging. You can customize pod size, fill volume, and sealing time using the digital control panel. The machine fits into a 4x3 meter space and typically requires just one trained operator. Depending on the model, you can produce between 300 to 800 pods per minute. If you're handling chemicals, safety training and permits may be required depending on your region. Average price for a fully automatic setup, around $18,000. Have you noticed detergent pods becoming more common around you? Let us know below. Number 2. Banana chips production line. Banana chips are one of the most popular fruit-based snacks, especially in regions where bananas are grown locally. This compact production line automates the full process: peeling, slicing, blanching, frying, seasoning, and packing. It starts with automatic peeling and slicing to produce uniform thin rounds. These slices are blanched briefly to preserve color, then fried in oil until crisp. After frying, the chips pass through a de-oiling conveyor and into a rotating flavor drum for seasoning, from classic salt to spicy chili or sweet honey. Finally, the chips are dropped into an automatic packing unit that seals them for sale. The system fits into a 6x3 meter space and is typically operated by 1 or 2 people. Output ranges from 50 to 120 kilograms per hour, depending on the fryer size. This complete setup costs around $10,000 and requires basic food safety certification. What's your favorite banana chip flavor? Let us know in the comments. Number 3. Popcorn production line. Popcorn isn't just a movie snack. It's a lightweight, high-demand product with year-round sales potential. This compact popcorn production line handles every step: popping, cooling, seasoning, and packing. It begins with a kernel feeder that sends corn into a heating chamber. Depending on the model, it uses either hot air or oil to pop the kernels efficiently. Once popped, the corn moves along a conveyor to a cooling zone that prevents sogginess. Next, it enters a flavor tumbler where powdered seasonings like cheese, caramel, or chili lime are applied. The final step is an automatic weighing and sealing unit that packs the finished product. For retail, the system fits into a 5x2 meter space and is run by a single trained operator. It can produce 30 to 80 kilograms of popcorn per hour. Average machine cost, around $14,000. What's the most creative popcorn flavor you've ever tried? Drop it in the comments below. Number 4. Protein bar production line. Protein bars are booming thanks to fitness trends and busy lifestyles. This machine helps small brands and contract kitchens produce high-quality bars in bulk. It starts with dry ingredients like oats, protein powder, or seeds loaded into a mixing chamber. At the same time, binders like honey, syrup, or nut butter are added to form a consistent dough. The mixture is pressed into flat sheets and cut into uniform bars using adjustable weight and shape settings. From there, the bars move to a flow wrapper, where each one is sealed and coated for sale. The full line fits in a 6x4 meter space and typically needs 1 or 2 operators. It can produce 200 to 500 bars per hour, depending on size and ingredients. You'll need proper food safety practices, especially for allergens. Total cost for the full system, around $22,000. If you could invent a new protein bar flavor, what would it be? Share your combo in the comments. Number 5. Tomato sauce production line. Tomato sauce is a kitchen staple worldwide, and this machine setup lets you produce it efficiently in small batches. The process begins by washing and sorting fresh tomatoes, which are then crushed into pulp. That pulp is cooked in a jacketed tank until it thickens into sauce. Next, it's refined to remove skins and seeds, creating a smooth texture. The final product is hot filled into bottles or pouches and sealed for long shelf life. The setup fits into a 7x4 meter space and usually requires 2 operators. You can make pizza sauce, pasta blends, or spiced versions with one system. You'll need food safety certification and basic knowledge of pasteurization. The full machine line costs around $16,000. Have you ever thought about launching your own bottled sauce brand? Let us know in the comments. Number 6. Fruit juice bottling line. Fresh juice is always in demand, from local markets to health-focused cafes. This compact production line lets you handle every step: washing, extracting, mixing, pasteurizing, and bottling. The process starts with a fruit washing section, followed by a juice extractor suited for citrus or pulpy fruits. The juice then moves into a mixing tank for flavor balancing, and finally through a pasteurizer for shelf stability. It ends with an automatic filling and capping unit. The entire setup fits into an 8x4 meter space and typically needs 2 operators. It's ideal for juice startups, small beverage brands, or farm-based bottlers. Cost for the complete line, about $19,000. If you could bottle just one juice to sell locally, what would it be? Mango, orange, or something wild? Share your pick in the comments. Number 7. Office staple. Manufacturing machine. Staples are simple, but demand for them is constant in offices, schools, and packaging lines. This machine forms staples by straightening steel wire, cutting it, bending it into U-shapes, and pressing them into strips. It's fast, compact, and easy to operate. The setup fits into a 3x2 meter space and needs just one operator. It can produce hundreds of staple strips per minute with minimal supervision. Some models support rust-resistant or copper-coated wire for added durability. No food or chemical permits required. The full unit costs around $7,500. Did you know such machines exist on a small scale? Let us know in the comments. Number 8. Dumpling production machine. Dumplings are loved worldwide, and this machine makes producing them fast and easy. It uses 2 hoppers, one for dough, one for filling, to automatically press, shape, fill, and seal dumplings in one continuous motion. Mold shapes can be swapped to create gyoza, ravioli, or mini pastries. The setup fits in a 4x2 meter space and can be operated by one trained user. Output ranges from 3,000 to 6,000 dumplings per hour, depending on size and filling. Food safe materials and quick clean parts come standard. Price, around $11,000. If you could launch your own dumpling flavor, what would it be? Spicy, sweet, or both? Number 9. Toothpaste tube filling and sealing machine. Toothpaste is used daily in every home, and this machine lets you produce it professionally at small scale. It starts by filling paste into empty plastic or aluminum tubes using a precision nozzle. Once filled, the tube is sealed, trimmed, and batch coated in one continuous cycle. The setup fits into a 4x2 meter space and is typically operated by one person. It's ideal for small cosmetic labs, herbal product makers, or private label brands entering the market. Output ranges from 1,500 to 3,000 tubes per hour, depending on volume and thickness. You'll need basic hygiene protocols and proper storage for ingredients. Total machine cost, around $10,000. If you could launch your own toothpaste brand, what key ingredient would you use? Let us know below. That wraps up 8 powerful machines you can run from a small space in 2025. Which one caught your attention? Comment below. We want to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Next video, how small brands design packaging that actually sells. Stay tuned.